already answered.
Oh, he already answered. Yeah. Anybody else? Nobody else. Okay. All right, brothers. Yes. Muhammad Amin.
I don't think this so-called, it's a question for Ken really. Yeah. I don't think this so-called US wants Israel to stop. The UK wants Israel to stop. And so on and so on and so forth. It makes no difference because it's just lip service. Because in the dead of night, they still sell weapons or donate weapons to them. If they really wanted these Zionists to stop, then they would stop sending weapons.
Talk is cheap.
Absolutely.
Actions speak louder than words.
Yeah.
I agree, it's all a show. It's all a show. But this is, okay, I didn't expand really on what the Sheikh just said here. I started with the beauty of this horrendous reality we witness. For those of us who have been in any way aware, truly aware of what's happening in Palestine and have been witnessing, much less living there and seeing it firsthand, it's been very painful, extremely painful. Because these atrocities have been managed atrocities. Generally, the Israelis keep it to single digits a day, which doesn't really register for the rest of humanity. It registers for the people on the ground, but if you keep the numbers under 10 into single digits, it's no problem, really, especially when you've got a complicit media. You get into double digits, that can get a little more problematic. You get into triple digits, that's starting to, but now we're not even into quadruple digits. We're quintuplet now. We're getting way up there. But it's because we've had all these, quote, low-level atrocities, this collateral damage, for so long that we now reach the point where there is literally an orgy of violence, like literally a celebration of violence for them. And what it's exposing, literally, especially in America, did you see how America threatened the ICC? Literally, this is like your garden variety mafia don, like, if you know what's good for you. I made him a deal he couldn't refuse. It's literally like this. It's open and brazen, like, you will not be employing any actual law. The color of law is the only thing that we authorize, and if you even think to institute real law, we will basically kill you and your family. This is the level of audacity, chutzpah, as the tribe would call it. It is on open display, and this is creating a situation that is fascinating for me. Now, the media has been able to go along with this charade for so long. And the politicians, I know who they work for, so of course, Israel has a right to defend itself. Do you condemn Hamas? Actually, invite me on, Piers. No, I actually respect them. I would be doing what they are doing. Now, if any one of them has done rape, they will be judged by God. And do I support or endorse that? If it be true, well, they will be judged, and this is wrong, and it defames Islam. But did they do that really? Where's the evidence? I need the evidence. Why would I believe the Jewish state of Israel? Why would anybody with a functioning brain believe them? Why did anybody believe them 5 years ago, 10? Oh my God. But now it is so grotesque that it's creating this tap dance. It's really fun for me to watch the politicians and the pundits do this tap dance. They're literally, they're tap dancing around these lies. Was it a shadow justice minister, remember? Who was asked point blank, is it illegal to cut off water, food, electricity, humanitarian aid? She literally didn't answer the question. She did a tap dance and then said Israel has a right to defend itself. Yeah. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Are you going to be the top legal mind if your party comes into power? And did you literally not just answer this question straight? I'm sorry. I know I don't have the scholarship or the degree in law, but I've studied it enough to know. That would be a violation of many laws, including the Fourth Geneva Convention and a various number of treaties that we're all signatories to in the civilized, actually barbaric West. And this tap dance that's occurring now is putting these politicians. Now, how many of these politicians and pundits were on what we know is called the Lolita Express, the Epstein-esque Mossad operation that is compromised? Unknown, but I know it's much bigger. These are the things that you need to entertain. You need to entertain the guy that you're watching, the Camerons or the Blairs and the Bushes and all of them, that they indeed have been involved in the raping of and I was in power, and I cared not about humanity or none of that.